Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Emporia SMART.5. So I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just open the Bluetooth settings by holding the Bluetooth icon in the top menu, then go to the preferences and choose Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again to restart this connection. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button, then tap on the restart. You can also try to restart your Bluetooth accessory. So, after the restarts, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices and you have a fire mode activated. How to do it you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the fire mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for 5 seconds, for example. You have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for your phone, for other devices, but not for your phone, you can also try to go back to the settings, then slide down to the system. Now go to the reset options and choose reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now just tap on the reset settings, type your PIN, and that's it. Tap on the reset settings, then look for your device again. After that, you can also try to update your system if you have any updates in the About phone. Go to the system updates. If you have any available, just download it and install. After that, look for your device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on other device to check which one making a problem, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.